So we just walking going to the school because in the service today morning. No umbrella because we just leave it there in the school, the umbrella, because too much things. Yung saman. Oh, hapit na. Kung maghinay kagagaw late jud ta. Pa. Ha? Pagpaabot sa kuha kay sigkuan labang kay nay sakinan. Abot sa kuha.